Oh my god. A freaking crappie? Are you kidding me? Maybe we need to drop the stupid rain jacket and fish here for a while. Or here. I think I'm kidding you. Do you see anything here? Maybe there is fish here. But there is still fish even when you don't see them. That's incredible. Yeah, the rain stopped. I need to take off the stupid jacket and get comfy with the microphone and fish here a little bit. There he is. One more. Let's see, what is this? My Chinese reel is making bad noise after the rain. It's a decent fish. That's a decent white bass. Well, half decent. I don't wanna really. Don't flip this fish. Different one. Okay, let's take this raincoat off and get serious. Morning, folks. I don't know how much video you saw. From the without microphone and with the rain jacket. But while I was waiting for the rain to stop, I checked the deep water up front there. No white bass. I started drifting down again. And I was just casting randomly around the moorings sails and I caught a white bass, no surprise. You'll catch these guys here. But then I caught a crappie. I don't know if there is video of that. But I did catch a crappie. And then I caught a nice white bass. And then my Chinese reel started making funny noises from just a little bit of rain. This reel is not waterproof, but nevertheless shouldn't be making these squeaky noises from few drops of rain. I have the yellow boogaroo here. I don't know what is the Zeman name. I'm fishing extremely slow in 27 feet of water. And I'm getting two kinds of bites. One close to the mooring sail and another one under the boat. And if you get a bite under the boat, you drop it again. And they will come back. But I promise you, I do not see fish under the boat or on the mooring sail. Come on, man, today is not a hunting day. You guys quit it. Yeah, I'm under the boat now. Maybe I can even see my lure. No, can't see my lure, but there is nothing under the boat, just spotless clean. But I got two fish under the boat already. Oh, I see. I'm far over the... I thought I was on the bottom, but I'm not on the bottom. I just saw it on LiveScope. This is how LiveScope gets useful sometimes. You think you're jigging on the bottom, but I wasn't. Now I'm on the bottom and I got a bite. I was jigging the whole time, like 5-6 feet off the bottom. And this fish 5-6 feet is too much for them. They will not get that high. There is a fish. So when you get to the bottom, there is fish. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. You're embarrassing me. This is small white bass, even for the iFish channel, folks. Even for the iFish YouTube channel, I catch bigger white bass. Come on. They're spying on me from up high again. Now that's a little bit too close to the mooring sail. Hopefully it doesn't get snagged. There is plenty of snags around these mooring sails. I like to cast like literally a foot away. That was like 2 inches away. But I'm gonna wait it out and drag it all the way. Hopefully we get a crappie around it. I saw several boats went downstream. Now I'm thinking there is a good bite downstream too. See, folks are fishing from the bank there. Maybe I can come and fish from the bank sometimes. I wonder if these white bass here are related to the mooring sail at all. I don't think they are. They are just around. Bite. Good thump. That's a crappy thump. That was a crappy thump. I'm telling you. Just thump. And it's slow. Could we have got a 12-inch crappie here? Maybe this thump was a little too strong for crappie, because this cold weather, they don't thump as strong. Maybe we got us a 14-inch bass now, I'm thinking. He's a little bit too strong for crappie. Now I'm thinking we got us a 14-inch bass, and I'm kind of correct, but it's a 14-inch, hold on. It's a 14-inch ugly thing. It's okay, that was a good fight. I enjoy fighting drum because they are not annoying me like channel catfish and trout and skipjack. And you know, some fish is just difficult to handle. Come on, man, I have no barb on this hook. Some fish are just difficult to handle on ultralight. Healthy fish. I don't feel like running downriver in this rain, if you know what I mean. So let's keep casting around here. Hopefully we catch something funny. Actually, I hooked something funny on the drop shot. It pulled off very hard and immediately came off. It never got hooked proper. Maybe I snagged him. Felt like a snag kind of thing. There is a fish that feels nicer. Maybe it's still white bass, but feels nicer. When you catch something by the mooring sail, you have a hope. Is it gonna surface? Well, he's all the way by the mooring sail. He surfaced actually. I think it's a black bass. He's a little bit better fish. The noise is still here on my Chinese Warrior reel. Wow. I think this will be a decent black bass. He did not fight that hard to come here. Oh my gosh, folks. Oh my gosh, folks. This will be PB smallmouth if I land him. That's a 2 pound, maybe 3 pound fish. It's gotta be 2 pounds. That's gotta be a 2 pound smallmouth. This has got to be a 2 pound smallmouth black bass. This has got to be. Yeah, that is my, by a safe margin. I don't know how big that fish is, but by a safe margin, very safe margin, my biggest smallmouth. He is fighting. Wow, it's hooked right on the edge of the lip. Almost got a heart attack. Right on the edge. Man, this fish is like a carp. This fish is like a carp, folks. Look here, what a fish, folks. He ate the yellow boogaroo too. Goes to show you, no matter, they will eat anything that jerks in the water, won't they? Look here. What a beautiful smallmouth. Look here. I mean, that is a gorgeous, fat, healthy smallmouth. I tell you, that fish is healthy. Okay, let's bump him quickly and release the poor guy. Should really weigh him, but my scale is stupid and I don't want to keep the fish out of the water too long. Oh my god. Oh my god, this fish, this is maybe the biggest fish that I have measured on the scale. This fish is 18 and a half. What is going on here? Why am I shaking so bad? These wakes. 18 and a half inch. I don't know how to show you. It's shaking really bad right now. Freaking wakes. And they keep coming. A lot of them. I want to fall in the water. But this is 18 and a half inch. Look. He's safely 18 and a half. Look. Healthy, I think 2 pound easy. Bye bye, dude. Thanks for the good fight. Alright, folks. I want to end this rainy video. Believe it or not, 30 minutes I haven't caught even a white bass. I mean, there is, I don't know, there is plenty of little stuff scattered on the bottom. Not right here, maybe over there. I don't know. I'm gonna catch one more fish and get out of here. What bothers me, folks, is I cannot even get on a hot white bass bite. I understand, but you know, drop and set the hook and fight a white bass. Even the white bass is once every 15-20 minutes or something like this. There is plenty of fish, like I repeat, plenty of fish here. I don't know if they're shad, bluegill, what are they? The rain doesn't stop. It stops and starts again. Every time you think, okay, this time it stopped for good, then it starts again. I'm gonna catch one more fish here. That's a bite, actually. This rainy video is done, folks. Unless this is a crappie or something. No. That's the other thing. These fish here are very small. These fish here are very, very small. It's not even 12 inches like like a few weeks ago. The white bass were kind of big. So I'm lucky, I'm happy that I got this smallmouth, and because of that it's worth making this, publishing this rainy video. Otherwise, I wouldn't have published it. But that's how it is in YouTube fishing. You get lucky or you don't get lucky. I'm really sick of this spot. Wasting too much time, nothing nice. After 20 minutes you catch one fish and it's a stupid tiny white bass. I wanna go do something else, even if it rains. I'm going somewhere downstream. Thanks for checking this video. See you soon. Bye bye.